So boy, did I have a hell of a week. Listen, you want to talk about somebody that had bad luck? I'm the one that had some bad ass luck within this past week. All right, everything was falling apart. I was dropping views on YouTube. My courses was dropping views. My computer ended up crashing. I lost everything. I mean, it's just been fucking one thing after another. I mean, it's been ridiculous. But it's not really the main topic. I already talked about it in another video. But basically what I really wanted to talk about is, like, shit happens, right? And I was at the point where I wanted to just break my computer, toss my phone and say, fuck all this, the hell with it, I'm done trying. You know, it was just one thing after another. And you know what, you're going to have those days if you're trying to run your own online business. You know, you're trying to do your thing. Eventually, you're going to run into a time where things just ain't going well. It may not even, like, even if it's not with your business, it may be with other people, friends, family, it may be a significant other. Shit at some point is just going to fall apart. And, you know, you have to be able to adapt. You have to be able to sit back, control your emotions, and plan your next move. All right, because it's easy for you to sabotage yourself and just fuck up everything. You start destroying shit. You start getting into arguments and fights. I mean, you know, you go down that slope, and it's, you know, the further down that slope you go, you know, the harder it is going to be to recover. You know, so like when stuff happens, like, you really got to just take a step back, even if it's a couple of days. Take a step back, breathe, get your emotions in order, and focus. All right, and then go from there. And 9 times out of 10, man, if you just try to push away the negativity and keep your mind focused on the task or on more positive things, you know, visualize that better outcome, then it will actually happen for you. Okay, and then you can go ahead and press forward and do what you need to do. Because I mean, eventually I got my computer back up and running, because that was the worst part. I lost everything, all the videos that I had uploaded, Instagram posts that I had pre-created and downloaded to the computer so I could put on my phone. I mean, just like personal stuff, pictures of my family, my kids. You know, I lost a lot of stuff that I haven't yet backed up, because it's still a relatively new laptop or whatever. But yeah, man, it was rough, you know. And then, like I said, on top of, you know, seeing my YouTube videos take the dip that it did, and, you know, my other content, it was just like, you know, it was real demoralizing, you know. And like I said, you're gonna have those moments. You're gonna have that time when stuff like that happens. Real quick, like I said, I just wanted to speak on it real quick. Just like I said, when shit hits the fan, right, don't spaz out, don't go crazy, you know, don't go tearing shit up or fighting or arguing with people, none of that. Just take a step back, recollect yourself, recollect your thoughts, you know, collect your emotions, and push forward and do what you need to do to get the job done. All right, so that's all I got for today's video, guys. If you found it useful, hit that like button, leave a comment down below, have a conversation. You know, have you ever experienced anything like this in the past? Or, you know, just have a conversation about it, because it is one of those things that it inevitably will happen to you. Okay, and this is what makes or breaks people, you know. And yeah, so that's all I got, guys. Thanks for watching this video, and I will catch y'all in the next one. Deuces.